Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my video for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, linked at the end of the video down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to get access to all the benefits listed below and more. And I do a live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time on YouTube, so definitely don't forget about that also. So the US dollar CAD is actually drifting up pretty good. We had a nice break of structure the other day. Because this move up right here is more impulsive and this move down is more impulsive, I do think that this is an A. This is probably more likely three waves down for a wave B, and we're probably in an uptrend now for a wave C. I think we're in an ABC of B, which would be a correction to the wave A potentially. If I go up to the daily time frame, it's a little easier to see what I'm talking about if I zoom in a little bit, because you would have impulsive up A, three waves down B, impulsive up C, ABC of B, then down for the bigger wave B, and then up for the bigger wave C. I definitely am still looking at this as possibly a wave two, so several weeks from now, there's still a good chance that this thing will go down for a wave three. I'm thinking sometime around the beginning of April when the tariff talks are going to come back into play, because I think that's the new deadline. So I would definitely be looking for longs. At the same time, I would also be keeping an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels for areas of resistance. I mean, if as long as it doesn't, make a double top at a fib level and break structure like that, I would just assume that any move down is just a little crutch into the uptrend. I would think that it's very likely to go up and make that wave C of wave B, like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading to everyone.